Hi there, this is going to be a quick unboxing of a T420 spare keyboard part, and the language is Japanese. So there's the part number code, the date, you can see it's quite old. What else is here of interest? Yeah, same information, different date though. 15th of August 2012. Well, oh, that'll be shipping because got the 27th of July up there. Faded label. As you can see, this should be supposedly new, although it's been opened before. It has been resealed and with a Lenovo security tape. So let's open it. Got it here as well. Okay, you can safely say it looks new. And there we go, there's the keyboard. Looking at it now, it does look new and unused. Okay, that was all I needed to show. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.